We are back from Istanbul, so let the videos begin. I'm starting off with a mini meal prep because we were flying with KLM, and while they offer snacks and food on the plane free of charge, it's all vegetarian. Now that's fantastic because it's a step in the right direction, but because it all involves cheese, there's literally like nothing we can have. So I have made these baguettes. I've baked them the night before and packed them in our little reusable bag. And I put in them cauliflower hash browns, mango pickle or lime pickle, depending, because one of us had one of us had the other, lettuce and some carrot. Now, on one of the flights, because we had 4 in total, they gave us these. Now, you might remember these from the unpacking of my friend's video because she sent me a load of stuff from, I think she's from Gouda, and that's their speciality, and it's accidentally vegan. So on one of the flights, they were kind enough to go and find us some things, and we got some smoked almonds and a little biscuit each, which was lovely because we weren't expecting it. I wish we'd have got it on all 4 flights though, because I really like those biscuits. Other than that, we took some of the Lotus puffs, which were caramel from the Vegan Kind box, and it was great. We had a little plain picnic and we were on our way to our holiday. So thank you for watching, and I will see you next time.